busy like brain.
Hello and welcome to the channel, guys. Today we have a new figure, Dragon Ball Super Son Goku Ultra Instinct. This is the figure stand. This is the toy animation sticker for authenticity. This is the box from the bottom, one side, the other side, and the back. They show you all the ones you can buy separately. We're going to build this one because this one is buildable. We're going to build him and measure him, do a little review and a close-up to see how this one looked like. This one was really cheap. I got him in retail in Hobby Lobby. You get always that 40% if you want to get it from Hobby Lobby. This is the figure. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start building him, and we're going to do time lapse, and we'll see you when we finish him. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, this is the final product. What I'm going to say is I'm not quite satisfied with this figure. It looked pretty cool, but pretty cheap in the same time. The build was a little bit hard because they don't give you a lot of instructions. Also, I have a lot of pieces left right here I don't know what to do with. They don't show you anything what to do with. I figure out that is the shirt if you want to put the shirt on instead of Goku naked, but it's pretty basic. It's not something really good, but anyways, you get what you paid for, so it's a cheap price for a cheap figure. I hope I see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next time, guys. Peace.